We're right in the path of the blizzard, and it's starting up just really light right now. It's really quiet out. It's very pretty, but I can hear the wind starting to pick up, and the horses are all nicely tucked into the barn. Just had their dinner and they're very happy. This is PayPal. He's our rescue horse. Yes. He's gonna be the star of my next book. He's very happy about that. He's a sweetie pie. Here's Frosty. This is PayPal's girlfriend, huh, Frost? Frosty's getting very white. She's very happy to be in. And next we have Rocket, who is a Morgan Shetland cross. He's just going to be 2 this spring. He's super friendly, and I'm thinking he's going to be an awesome driving pony. Huh? You gonna let me show you off? No, I want to follow you for cookies. Okay, and he's very in your face. Okay, that's Rocket. Next we have Annie. Annie, come say hi. Come here, babe. Come say hi. Here's Annie, my favorite riding horse. She's such a good girl, aren't you? My love? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. And then Remy. He's my son's retired show horse. He's very, very woolly right now, aren't you? Aren't you, buddy? Yes, you're a good boy. He's a very good boy, aren't you? Yeah, it's hard to see them at this angle, but they're all super friendly. Yes, I love you too. And then, coming over here, we have Rerun and Donkadonk in the same stall because they don't want to be apart. Hi, guys. This is Donkadonk. She loves having her butt scratched. As long as you scratch her butt, she will just stay there. Say hi, Donk. Hi, Donkadonk.
Hi, babe. You're a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl.
And that's her best friend, Rerun. Rerun. Say hi. You're a good girl. Mommy loves you. You're a good girl, but yeah, he's more interesting. Right, Donkadonk? Yes, Donk is adorable. She's so funny. She's a good girl. Okay, Wee Wee, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Next we have Spot, otherwise known as Spitter Spot. He's our token Appaloosa. Huh, Spot, sir? Yes. His mama was my reining horse many years ago. And when I retired from reining, I bred her and got Spot. He's my daughter's horse. Okay, Spitter Spot. Next we have Diva. She's the mama of Rocket, the Morgan Shetland cross.
She's a fat little Shetland.
Huh? Aren't you? You're very sweet. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if you can quite see how big her tummy is. And there's no baby in there, huh? No. Next, we have Luna. She's one of Frosty's babies. Luna! Hi, babe! Come say hi. You gonna say hi? No, you'd rather eat? How about if I come in? Will you come say hi? Hey, babe. Hi. Luna's gonna be 5 this spring. She's a nice riding horse. Awesome little trail horse. Actually, she's not little. She's like 15-1, so not really little for Morgan. Good size. And last is Blackjack. Hey, buddy. Hi, Blackjack. Get the door open. Say hello. Say hello. He's a good boy. Yes, he's very happy. He's got lots of food. He's buried in it up to his belly, huh? Yes, he says I like being in for the storms. Okay, everybody all set? Say good night. Nighty night.